The landscape of modern warfare has undergone a profound transformation, with technological advancements playing a pivotal role in redefining the very nature of conflict. At the forefront of this evolution stands Elon Musk's Starlink, a revolutionary satellite internet constellation that has emerged as a game-changer in the geopolitical arena. As the world grapples with the strategic implications of this innovative technology, the stage has been set for a new era of space-based dominance, where the control of low Earth orbit LEO could become a critical factor in shaping the balance of global power. From the battlefields of Ukraine to the simmering tensions surrounding Taiwan, Starlink's impact has reverberated across the international landscape, challenging traditional warfare strategies and igniting a new space race between the world's superpowers. In this video, we will delve into the intricate tapestry of Starlink's role in modern warfare, explore the geopolitical ramifications of this satellite technology, and examine the intensifying competition for supremacy in the space domain, with a particular focus on the dynamic interplay between China, Russia, and the West. Starlink, a game-changer in asymmetric warfare. The emergence of Starlink has profoundly transformed the landscape of modern warfare, particularly in the context of asymmetric conflicts. Ukraine's ongoing struggle against the Russian invasion has served as a poignant example of the satellite network's strategic significance. Traditionally, one of the primary objectives in modern warfare has been the disruption of the enemy's communication channels. However, Starlink's decentralized structure and extensive coverage have rendered this tactic increasingly ineffective. Ukraine's forces have found a powerful ally in Starlink, leveraging the satellite network to maintain robust communication, coordinate operations, and share real-time updates, even in the face of relentless attempts to jam or disable their terrestrial infrastructure. The resilience and adaptability of Starlink have proven to be a game-changer, empowering Ukraine's defenders to overcome the challenges posed by an asymmetric conflict. This satellite-based communication system has become an indispensable tool, enabling the Ukrainian forces to identify targets, coordinate their actions, and stay connected with the world, despite the enemy's best efforts to sever their lines of communication. The geopolitical implications of Starlink. The strategic implications of Starlink's capabilities extend far beyond the borders of Ukraine, resonating across the global geopolitical landscape. As the satellite network's influence continues to grow, it has presented both opportunities and challenges for various players on the international stage. China's concerns and ambitions. For China, the emergence of Starlink represents both a threat and an opportunity. On the one hand, the satellite network's resilience in maintaining communication links during conflicts raises concerns about its potential impact on China's aspirations regarding Taiwan. The fear is that Starlink could be leveraged by Taiwan, making any potential Chinese invasion considerably more challenging. Moreover, China perceives Starlink as a broader threat to its ambitions in the domain of low Earth orbit LEO. The strategic importance of LEO in terms of global communication and surveillance networks cannot be overstated, and China views the rapid expansion and technological supremacy of Starlink as an attempt by the United States to monopolize these rare strategic resources. In response to this perceived threat, China has accelerated its own efforts to develop a robust satellite internet system. The country has filed documents with the International Telecommunication Union for a constellation of nearly 13,000 satellites, showcasing its intent to create a global satellite network that can rival and potentially surpass the capabilities of Starlink. Taiwan's connectivity concerns and mitigation efforts. The delicate geopolitical situation surrounding Taiwan has brought the country's communication infrastructure under intense scrutiny. Taiwan's reliance on undersea cables for connectivity has raised concerns about the potential threats, particularly the possibility of these crucial lifelines being sabotaged in the event of an escalating conflict. To address this vulnerability, Taiwan is actively exploring alternative solutions, including the development of antennas designed to communicate with low-orbit satellites like those used by Starlink. This initiative is part of a broader strategy to reduce Taiwan's dependence on others for communication security and to bolster its defenses against potential external threats. Furthermore, Taiwan Space Agency is working on the development of its own low-orbit communication satellites, with the first expected to be launched in 2025. These efforts reveal Taiwan's determination to safeguard its connectivity and enhance its resilience in the face of evolving geopolitical challenges. The new space race, China vs. the West. The emergence of Starlink and similar satellite communication technologies has ignited a new space race, with control over specific orbits and radio frequencies becoming a major point of contention in the global power dynamics. The strategic importance of low Earth orbit LEO cannot be overstated. These rare and valuable resources are perceived as critical strategic assets, as they can significantly influence communication, surveillance, and information superiority in conflict scenarios. China's apprehension about Starlink's potential to monopolize these resources has been made clear through warnings from the country's Liberation Army daily. This signifies a transformation in the strategic landscape, where control over terrestrial territories is being supplemented by dominance in the ether of space. China's ambitions to establish itself as a major space power have been a driving force behind its accelerated efforts in the domain of low Earth orbit. The country's supreme leader, Roman 11 Jinping, has made the modernization of the People's Liberation Army PLA a top priority, with a focus on creating an informatized force capable of conducting joint operations across multiple domains, including ground, air, sea, space, and cyberspace. China's strategic shift towards a space race mentality is evident in the government's establishment of the China Satellite Networks Group Limited in 2021, tasked with developing the country's own satellite internet system. This concerted effort reflects China's determination to parallel and potentially surpass the communication and surveillance capabilities of systems like Starlink. The evolving landscape of modern warfare. The transformation of warfare, as the world transitions into the digital age, has been epitomized by the rise of satellite communication technology, exemplified by Starlink. This escalating reliance on low Earth orbit systems signals a new chapter in modern warfare, where connectivity and information reign supreme. The past few years have witnessed a profound shift in the nature of warfare, moving from the gritty trenches of the past to the increasingly intricate webs of cyber and satellite infrastructure. This metamorphosis has been driven by the growing importance of space-based assets, such as Starlink, in providing critical communication, logistics, and intelligence capabilities. The rise of Starlink and its strategic implications have ushered in a new era of space-based dominance, where the control of low Earth orbit has become a critical factor in shaping the global balance of power. As the world's superpowers engage in a high-stakes race to secure their positions in the heavens, the consequences of this technological revolution will continue to reverberate across the international landscape.